Welcome back, folks! On the last episode, I was in Naperville, riding around in our branded tuk-tuk and getting to know some of our members. Today, I am enrolling myself in a day of summer camp at Codeverse Lincoln Park. You gonna show me some games?
Yeah, so this was the first game I made.
What's it called?
I named it Apples. So you have to get the apples in the barrel, and then like if you don't, it says you lose. Yeah.
Ooh, very cool.
Oh, I get it. That's impossible. At least my game's possible. Yeah, but I wanted mine. Only 1 out of 1,000 people can do it, and Oliver was one of the 1,000. I did it.
What are you guys building?
Oh, we're trying to control the consequence. I got 5.
These kids are super smart. They taught me how to make lights flash and spin using real code, and they helped me build my own video game called Jumping on the Moon.
Now what are you doing?
We're going to the design lab. We're gonna go play with robots. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I love robots. This is the Codeverse Design Lab, which is across the street from our studio. Here the campers do everything from robotics to 3D printing to laser cutting and circuitry. It's pretty awesome. Look! Do you know how to sing here? Can you sing ring on it? If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Something like that, right? Love for girls. Excellent. High five. High five! How did you guys do?
We won 3rd place.
Yes! That's awesome. Did you have fun?
Yes.
What was your favorite part? What was the hardest part about the obstacle race?
I think the hardest part was when you had to at the end.
So I heard that you got robbed from first place. What happened?
Technical difficulties happened. It disconnected. So we just won the robot building and obstacle course contest. And I'm sweating even though I wasn't driving. Yeah, it was really exciting the last round. So this is Bullet. This is our robot. We named him Bullet because we actually kind of coded him to go faster than all the other robots. Yeah, we have him at 99, which got us to the winning speed, and we won every 7 rounds, was it? Yeah. It was 7 rounds, and we are very happy about that.
All right, everybody, we're gonna clean up our stuff, and then I will tell you where to go, okay?
Do you know where we're going right now? We're going to Energy One of the coolest things about summer camp is that we take the kids on field trips. So today we're headed to Energy Whiz, which is a brand new interactive exercise facility just for kids.
All right, so guys, I'm Coach Troy, so when I call your name, you'll come with me and sit right here.
Apparently this measures all of the different things that I do in this tech gym.
Right? So our muscles are feeling good, but we want to move.
There you go, there you go, there you go. Good job. Nice.
How are you feeling?
Take a little bit of a break.
Good.
Okay? Make sure you're holding your abs in nice and tight. Your arms under the head. You gotta balance on it to shoot into the hoop. Get it? Good job.
That was a workout, wasn't it? Which one was your favorite one?
Probably the cycling one.
Are you guys hungry?
Yes!
Let's get some
I'm
lunch.
thirsty. I'm so thirsty.
Let's get some lunch.
You guys all want super fruit punch?
Yes,
Can I take no?
definitely. I'll take 3.
All right.
Wow, look at that. Whee!
Look at this one.
What's for lunch today?
Taco combo with these El Nacho cheese chips. And inside you have some cheese and baked beans and then tomatoes and fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Oh, wow. And he holds for the pose.
DJ, what?
Well, my belly is full of tacos and I've had a good workout, so now it's time to head back to the studio for more coding. I am here with Xander. He is awesome and has earned a ton of achievement pins. Xander, can you tell me what they are?
This one is for recommending someone to Codeverse. This one is for being a crew member. This one is for doing the 7 original challenge missions or doing the 7 new ones over there. This one is for being in Codeverse Media. This one is for doing the robotics, and this one is for being a space buddy and helping someone who's new.
That is too cool. High five. Oh.
This took me 91 lines of code.
91
Actually,
lines of code.
96 lines of code.
And that's a wrap. To participate in a day at camp and see the world through the eyes of a kid was such a cool and eye-opening experience for me. I loved hearing about all of their ideas and their approach to overcoming challenges. But most of all, I loved seeing how passionate and excited they were to share their coding creations with me. On the next episode, Craig and I visit Texas and view a couple of potential future Codeverse studios. Then we head back to Chicago to celebrate our newest partnership with the Lyric Opera of Chicago. Stay tuned!